teacher. My name is Pasavit Banlo, number 28.
Hello teacher my name is ยศกร คงแสนคำเลขที่
I scanned some old photos when we were in elementary school.
13 Can I see them
Sure, let me open the file.
Hey that's your I remember you were always so hardworking I used to end up in detention a lot because I did not always do my homework
That really Wilson, remember him. He didn't used to do his homework, and he always want to copy us.
Oh that's Olivia the teacher pet I can't stand her she used to tell on everybody
Will she working for a newspaper? She has her own gossip blog.
I guess that's no surprise. Here, Mrs. Kramer, our favorite teacher. You know, I think I actually miss those old days at school. Thank you,
Okay.
teacher.
Thank teacher.
Okay.